I'm going to show you what I'm going to put on my legs today. It's body blur. So I've suffered from psoriasis quite badly. If I'm honest, I feel sometimes a bit conscious about my legs, so I put this body blur on my skin. This is almost like Instagram filter in real life. If you want to find out more about this, just click below and you'll see the link to install. Now I'm going to put it on and then rub it in your hands, and then you're just going to massage it in. So let me show you the before and after. I hope I haven't missed any shaving patches for my legs. Can you see? This is the leg I've done. This is the leg I haven't done. Now I've got psoriasis patches here, so it kind of even makes that look better as well. I'll show you the back. But this body blur really, it does give me a lot of skin confidence. If you want to read about how this can help you feel skin confident, if you're lacking a bit of skin confidence like I am, then click the link below and you can read all about it.
Oh, this is such cute packaging. But there is this, it's like nicely packaged with these cute little stickers. I mean, like, how to wear your new purchase. Like, that's awesome. I'm gonna try the body blur now. So the difference is actually really awesome. All I did was, you can probably tell which leg, but all I did was put that blur stuff on, and I feel like a freaking supermodel just with this cream. I don't know, I feel like it's magic. It's like Photoshop, like I keep saying, but for like everyday real life. Very cool.